January 4th, 2023. Daily Bread. Passage, Psalm chapter 133, verse 1 to verse 3. Key verse 1. Title, God's People in Unity. A Song of Ascents of David. How good and pleasant it is when God's people live together in unity. It is like precious oil poured on the head, running down on the beard, running down on Aaron's beard, down on the collar of his robe. It is as if the dew of Hermon were falling on Mount Zion, for there the Lord bestows his blessing, even life forevermore. Daily Bread Message. The Israelites' calling and love from God united them through various events. All of them were called from Egypt. They also shared the Passover calling, received the commands of God at Sinai, wandered in the desert, and fought to inherit the promised land together. Finally, God united them into a new identity as God's people by atoning for their sins. This blessing of unity is like the anointing oil poured on Aaron the high priest. When God anoints the high priest, God gives him peace and power in prayer. We are offered this calling to be God's people and priestly anointing today. When we accept, we are bound in the precious and pleasant unity of Jesus, his cross, and his commission to preach the gospel. Mount Hermon was the most prominent mountain in Israel, and its dew refers to the abundance of God's blessing. Just as dew blankets everything, God's love abundantly covers all of Israel. The gospel of Jesus similarly covers all of God's people in perfect love forever. It is the source of all life and blessing. How good it is to live in such unity. Prayer. Lord, this world experiences disunity and even war. Bless God's people to live in the goodness and unity of holy love. One word, live in God's love and unity.